Technologies in Logistics Processes. My name is Jonathan Soto. Instructor Diego Alejandro Angarita Guzmán. Presentation. My name is Jonathan Soto. I am 38 years old. I was born in Colombia. I am from Garzón Huila. I am married. I have two daughters. I am employed in private security. I study technologies in logistics processes. Information about my wife. Her name is Maria Fernanda Guerrero. She is 34 years old. She lives in Garzón Huila. She was born in Colombia. Her profession is pharmacy manager. She works as a María Auxiliadora as an assistant in the call center. In her free time, she works as a manicure. Information about NAR. Daughter. The name of my youngest daughter is Maria Isabela Soto Silva. She is 4 years old. She lives in Garzón Huila. She studies at the institution kindergarten grade transition. Her hobby is coloring and play. My daughter's name is Maria Valentina Soto Guerrero. She studies at the Genaro Díaz Jordán institution in the 10th grade at the afternoon. Her favorite subject is math. She is 15 years old. She was born in Garzón Huila. She is from Colombia. She is studying a course in makeup and facial aesthetics at the Centennial Foundation. Thank you very much.